Wala siyang kamalay-malay in English. According to the dictionary, little does one know is an idiomatic expression. That means one is completely unaware of something. Pantumbas yan sa Tagalog phrase na walang kamalay-malay. Halimbawa, Jen gave a small gift box to Jenny. Little did she know, there was an engagement ring inside. Nagbigay si Jen ng maliit na gift box kay Jenny. Wala siyang kamalay-malay. May engagement ring pala sa loob nito. Jenny thought I was just inviting her over for a simple dinner. Little did she know, I had prepared a surprise party just for her. Akala ni Jenny na niyaya ko lang siya para sa simpleng hapunan. Ang hindi niya alam, may inihanda pala akong surprise party para sa kanya.